Hello everyone, welcome to Dongtai Manufacturing. Now I will show our CR870 commercial pump tester. It has the DIV function and supports the DRV. It also supports the different pumps like HP0, CP1, CP2, CP3, and HP3, HP4. It also has two functions with duty cycle and real control function. The different pressure with different like LL without the ZD and U1 and CL. You can control the different with different pressure. Now I will show the testing working pressure by the diesel pump of 092, 000, and 0481. The link of DRV with two screens. Next is our PCV links. Next link is with our CEM. Let me show our testing producer of the diesel spinning pump. HP0 pump testing. Now with CL workstation without the ATM pump. And keep the 120 amp pump without the VL workstation. VM workstation without the 100 amp pump. Double L workstation with 25 amp pump. And the ZD workstation with 0 amp pump. Now the testing with the duty cycle with the U1 and without the different pressure and pump. CL stator and VL stator with the 9%. VM stator with 8 point and 90%. Double L with the 9%. LL. And the ZD stator with 9%.